Hello guys, this is Indian Medico. Our Indian Medico family has crossed 25,000 subscribers. I am really overwhelmed by your support and I thank each and every one of you. I started this channel on May 10, 2017 when I was in my third year MBBS. I started this channel as a supplement to my studies. As you can see, I had very little views and only a handful of subscribers till July 2017. But I kept on uploading videos. In July 2017, I realized people started viewing my videos, and that's when I realized I need to upload quality videos with good content. The main purpose of this channel is two things. One is to provide a quick overview of the topic before you open your textbooks and read, and the other is to provide a quick revision just before your exams. As you can see, there will be spikes in my view count just before university exams of various institutes. The total view count of all my videos put together is around 1.35 million. I am so happy that I could help thousands of students not only across India but also all over the world. This is the moment when our channel reached 25,000 subscribers. We reached the milestone at 11:33 p.m. on 25th of August 2019. I use a very simple technique to make videos. This is my study table / studio. This is what I do. I read about a topic. I prepare a PPT. I record my presentation using screen recorder software and my earphone, and then upload it to YouTube. As of today, I have uploaded 279 videos. Each video takes around 2 to 3 hours for me to make and upload. So I have invested quite a lot of time in this channel, and this channel means a lot to me. I have earned a total of around $520 so far through this channel, which is approximately rupees 37,500, which is roughly around 1,500 per month. And I thank you guys for it. It's not about the money. It's more about the feeling. It is a feeling of great pride for me that 25,000 people in the medical fraternity trust me, and I have earned 25,000 friends from all over the world. I am currently doing my internship, and I promise you guys I'll upload many videos during my PG entrance preparation after my internship. I had no expectations when I started this channel, but now I want Indian Medico to reach at least 100,000 subscribers. I am confident that it will happen one day with your continued support. For those of you who want to know me personally, my Instagram ID is Gautam_Rajashekhar. You can also mail your suggestions to coolindianmedico@gmail.com. Once again, I thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Bye.